If Discord is stuck on starting on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, don't worry, this is a common issue and you can fix it quickly with a few simple steps. I end this video. I'll show you 3 effective solutions to fix Discord stuck on starting. The first fix is to end all Discord processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, look for Discord, and click End Task on all related processes. Then try opening Discord again. This solves cases where the app is stuck running in the background. The second fix is to delete Discord's cache and temporary files. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, and delete the Discord folder. Then go back, type %local appdata%, and delete the Discord folder there as well. This removes corrupted files that can cause the startup issue. The third fix is to disable VPN or proxy connections. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off and then try opening Discord again. Sometimes Discord gets stuck on starting due to connection issues caused by these services, and that's it. These are 3 simple ways to fix Discord stuck on starting on Windows 10 and 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.